So let's look at some charts. Just checking the audio. We got audio. That's great. Cool. Yeah. Okay. So we need just a bit. It's a bit bright today. I'll turn it up a bit. Right. So yeah, this is the state on Forex Factory. Monday, as per usual, not much happening. You would think, but I know that the action starts at 8 my time, and at 9 we get some volume from CFDs, but I'm not gonna look at that today. I'm gonna look at this. So today I was looking at EU, and I've been drawing some levels. First of all, notice the big background here. This is primarily a yen session, and at 8 I know volume comes from Europe, and so that's why I have this box EU FX, I call it, and the other one is Sydney Tokyo, and yeah, so I draw the switch here and I entered along here, and I also had a pending order to go long at above this while price was here, and never mind that. And oh my god, I had pending order to go long here, but I did remove it, and yeah, that's pretty much that. So I'm just gonna show some simple trades here, or some simple ideas. This. So we switch up, and we get engulfing. So if this is the target, right, it's the target, but I'm just gonna keep them just small like this. It's one, and this is not another trade. It's the same in the same area, so I'm not gonna draw it. So the price comes even higher, more power, and so you would think that okay, but this is a trade, right? But the thing is, you would have to have a bit larger stop for it to go higher, right? So that's one, and then we are here, and for this thing, price may, I was initially thinking that, we did fall a bit and then go higher and then fall, so it's a bit uneven, but you know what? Since we didn't close above, well, okay, we did. So yeah, this is a bit confusing, right? And I didn't look at the price at this point, and to be completely honest, I don't. If I did watch it here, I might have added a short on this bar, and which I did not. So maybe I got lucky there. Anyway, so yeah, I guess that's 2 trades, and that's lick. So why is this lick? Right, let me show you. We came from here, we went down, we came up. So here, from this area, I need to change that. I keep pressing that button. So we came from here to here to here, and so here we are going up a bit, and here we go down, right? And now we go down, right? We go down, we go down, we go down, and here we change the switch, right? So because this was the last move up, then this is the lick for me. This is the target then, right? And yeah, can we move them? Good. And yeah, I always double press that key. Yeah. Yeah. So that means that's the lick. And in the same way, this is the next level, right? It's always a bit. It's always a bit somewhat confusing. What's that? Never mind. Okay, so that's those trades. I also have some. I did look at EU in the morning, and there was like similar action here, of course in the reverse direction, but not really good R. So this would be the target. I would be here, and it's not even 1-1 possible. Perhaps with this, just barely there, and then we have the switch, and then we just go up. So not really possible, but GU was more clean. And look at this. Just put the, this is where the trade is. So here is like the kind of flat action. We have this low here. Oh yeah, okay, there we go. And this is the switch of power. This is the retrace, and this is the entry. So the entry is here because Harami formation, clean move down, clean move up, nothing to talk about. But since Harami formation, it's a pending order. If I enter on the black bar down, it's a market order. But in this case, pending order, breakout works. Also, limit works because pin, and just above 1-1 because, well, here would be the next level, right? Or at least here would be the next target level. The next lick is down here, and we didn't get that. So I was thinking 1-1 or next target at this point, and that's why I draw it like this. All right, this is, yeah. Anyway, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. Not much going on here, and yeah. Let's go back on yen. I was also looking at yen on this, and I have been thinking that I should be shorting the yen because this recent action created a lower level from here, and so this is H4, right? And M15, because overnight we had this down and down again. I was thinking we're gonna short here, but it's always a bit more difficult. This is not direct, so this is from 2 time frames, combining them together. And the thing is, yeah, to be honest, I think we came here first, we closed below, and we defeated, and so this is like, because this is in the middle of the night. Check the time, 01, 02, 0. I'm not awake at this point, and that normally happens with the UJ pair, so nothing spectacular about that. But yeah, power was down, and a reason to enter short perhaps here. Not much power though, because the gaps are really low, not really clean. This leg is more clean though, and more power. So maybe if this becomes a doji within 3 minutes, maybe a short below, maybe something like this. Maybe something like, hey, you, not too low. Maybe something like this is an idea. And we switch down here, so probably targets here. Maybe something like that, and let's check on how it looks on H4. Yeah, okay. Yeah. If we're gonna retrace from there. But yeah, currently no, though. I'm also looking at a more overall thing on yeah, I was thinking that actually UJ is going long, because here's the daily, right? We recently came down, came up, barely closed higher with some power, some gap, and so this should be the good place to put the longs in, right? And that's why I did put some longs, stack some longs here, but we'll see about that. So it's normal currently. Normally like a Monday, market is somewhat confused and somewhat slow, and yeah, the only thing really showing direction would be like I said, like a 1 minute or something fast that shows direction. Yeah, the other charts don't really. Yeah, I wanted to put a short on here, maybe. But since we got a higher high, no, we need to close below. Yeah, so that's, yeah, because we had to move down. Yeah, not much. Yeah, and yeah, for the EU, I did some put some drawings on, but yeah. So like I said, normal Monday, not much going on. Initial action M1, maybe M2. Looked kind of decent. I put in my book, had four trades and ideas, and well, four, no, five trade ideas, and four of them were correct, and those gave +4, and or just over +4, and one was not correct. So yeah, anyway, yeah, that's me rambling done, I think. Let's wait for this afternoon, and let's wait for some volume to show up from US and commence with normal action, as every Monday is like this. Right, I think that's it for me. So yeah, if you like me talking like this, go ahead and like the video, and double top, maybe close below for a switch. Yeah, like the video if you like the video, put some questions if you have questions. And yeah, that's it. See you in the markets.